Alrighty, so you see the first three graphs on your paper, right? We have looked at these three graphs before in equation form. So we're going back to our one solution, no solution, and infinitely many. So if you look at this graph right here, which one of those do you think fit that one? One solution. If you notice, it touches right here. So there's one spot where those two lines intersect. What do you think about the second one? How many solutions do you think that one would be? No solution. They never intersect. And last but not least, oh, nope, that's the same. What's that one? That is one solution as well. So the last one was infinitely many, and I messed up, I'm sorry. So that would be one line, but it came from two equations. And we will see that today when we do our examples, so don't be like, what in the world is Mrs. Rubin talking about? We will see it, don't worry about it. Alright, sorry, I'm getting all my pens and pencils out for this. So, and some colors. Alright, that should be nice. So let's look at this. Remember how last week we did graphing an equation. That was one equation, one graph. Now we're doing two equations on one graph and seeing where they intersect, if at all. So, same thing that we did last time. What is your m and what is your b? So, y equals 1x plus 3. What is your m? What is your slope? 1 over 1. Because remember, how many x's is this? 1, and we always want to write it as a fraction. If you need to remind yourself, remember this is up 1 and right 1. We always run right. Always, always, always run right when possible. And then because it's positive, that means we're going up. So b is our 3. Right? So I'm going to plot the 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go up 1, right 1. And I know that last time we said, well, we just need, the two things. Let's do more. Let's do as many as we can today. And I'll show you why here. We'll get there of why. Okay? So this is this line right here. And then I'm not going to be perfect with my lines, but I'm going to do the best I can. So that would be that line right there. Then we're going to do the same thing here. What is our m here? -1/2. What is our b? 3. So I'm going to plot 1, 2, 3 right here. And I'm going to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, and I can't go any further. So I'm going to do the best that I can to graph that line. So now, where do my blue line, the first one I did, and my pink line, the second one I did, intersect? They intersect right here. So that intersection is going to be right there as a coordinate point. So I can't just put 3 as the intersection, right? I'd have to put the x coordinate, 0, and the y coordinate, 3. So we're literally just adding a little bit of what we did last week. We're just adding an extra piece, which is that intersection. All right? So let's do the same thing for this one. What is our m? 1, and it's going to be over 1. What is our b? 3. What? And then plot 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's the same equation, isn't it? Up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. And then we're going to graph the line. Good. We will come back for the second one.